All right, we're going to go over the review. These are not the questions on the review assignment. This is just additional review before the test. So I wanted to go over a couple of questions with you. You can feel free to continue working them out. Oops. Let me see what's going on with my computer. There we go. So on this one it says Kevin constructed a segment RS with a midpoint M on graph paper. If the coordinates of M are 7, 11, and the coordinates of S are 4, 2, what are the coordinates of R? Hint, graph it. Please pay attention to that. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's graph it. Well, first let's make sure we pay attention. We've got line segment RS. Okay? And the M is the midpoint. Please mark that on your paper, highlight it, do whatever you need to. M is the midpoint, okay? That way you don't end up thinking these two coordinates are RS, because this one's M for midpoint, not R, okay? So you're given the midpoint and the other endpoint, okay? So let's go ahead and graph that. So M is 7, 11. So we're going to go over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's hard to see. There's 7, 11. Okay, now we're going to, and that's M. Make sure you label. Okay, and the coordinates S, 4, and 2. All right. So let's go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to 1, 2. So right there, there's S. And just to clean up my paper, I'm going to get rid of this stuff. Oops. Not that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. It's right there, right? Okay. Now, I'm going to connect these. Now, when you're looking for the other endpoint, you need to make sure that you realize that this is an endpoint over here, and this is the midpoint. So my other endpoint has to be over here somewhere. It has to be over here somewhere, okay? Do not go this direction. This is a no-no. Don't do it. Okay? Because this is the endpoint. So your other endpoint's going to be over here in this area. Okay? How do we get there? Well, we're going to, there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can use rise over run. So if you'd like, you can say, okay, I'm going to do rise over run. So let's see how far apart these are. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that 9? Let's see, up 9, and let's go over. And then it was over 1, 2, 3. So you can just repeat that. This would be your slope, right? So now just repeat the slope. Okay, we said 9. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have to go over 3. 1, 2, 3. So it'd be right here. Okay, now we have to figure out what is that point. And it's going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going over 10, and then up a whole bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew, 20. All right, so this should be my other endpoint. And is that what happened? It's not that one. If I can cross it off. Oops, what's going on with my, there you go. Nope. Now, make sure you be careful. Tests will try to trick you by flipping the endpoints. Make sure you're going over and up, okay? All right, this direction is your x-axis. And so that's the first one. This is your x. And then the up and down is your y, okay? So that's your y. This is your x, okay? So we have found the answer was D, right? So that's a little bit of review. You may want to try that one on your own, okay? That was just a little review to teach you how to do that one, okay? So if you'd like to watch the video again, you can. I'm going to go ahead and erase this all. So if you want to rework the problem, go ahead, stop the video, rework the problem, and see if you come up with the same answer of D. Alright, and so that was just one of the questions that will be similar on the test, not the exact one, and you can use that to study for your test on Friday.